Okay, so you go to messages and you go to the reservation which is available like now, and you press the reservation. Okay, and then you scroll down, and on your left you'll see all the information about the booking. You see here like how many people, date, the reference number for the reservation, how much the guests paid, your invoice, and then down here is the most important part. So in order to change your reservation, maybe ask for an extra day or ask for more money, you just go to change or cancel reservation, change reservation, and then instead of Monday the 16th, they want to move out on Tuesday the 17th. So you add here and then here. Okay, and it will automatically add. So the new pay, and here if you see, if it was £616, now the new pay is £982.06. So the difference in price is £365. Okay, and that how much in total they were gonna pay in euros. Yeah, so Airbnb is automatically doing everything. So you just press continue and send a request. And now you'll have to send an email to the guest for them to accept the request. They will receive an email, they will get a notification, and they just have to accept.